can go ahead and. So I'm recording today's session as well. Okay. Right. I just want to recap what we discussed yesterday, right? So we started the topic called pair of linear equations with two variables, or we can say simultaneous linear equations with two variables. To proceed further, so what is meant by a linear equation means with one variable. We know that ax plus b equal to 0 is a linear equation with one variable. Okay. So how many solutions this linear equation will contain? Only one solution.
One.
Because if you see there, we can find out easily x value. How do we find Hamza x value?
Sir, by substituting, sir.
No, sir. Tell me, how do I get x value? From ax plus b equal to 0, how do I get x value?
Sir, can I say?
No, wait. Shipali?
Sir,
So
what do we have to do? Minus b by a.
Why minus b by a? How you got minus b by a?
Because x comes to the other side, so and it's plus b, so it becomes minus b, no, sir.
There, x comes to the other side or b comes to the other side?
Sir, x.
No, wrong. That's what I'm trying to say, that you need to understand the concept. You are in 10th class. Okay, you cannot make any mistakes over here. Nayanika, can you explain?
Yes, sir. So first we have to take b to the other side of the equal to, and it'll become minus b because it's plus b. And then you have to take a to the other side, and because it's a into x, it'll become minus b by a.
You understood, Hamza?
Yes, sir.
What is why you are telling x should come the other side? What is the reason? What is the reason? Simple, right? You are trying to find out x value. That means x is here. First you need to send this plus
Yes,
b.
sir. So we need to send b. Yes, sir.
So that minus b, and the other side you will have a into x. A also should go to the other side. It will become by a. That is the concept, Hamza. Please. No, if you are
Yes,
not
sir.
studying at home, if you are not thinking, don't join the classes. Okay. I want to be very clear. I don't want to bend my head in front of your parents. That is for sure. Okay. Whether it may be Hamza or Sanjana or whoever it may be, when you are coming to this tuition, please study. Otherwise, don't join. Tell to your parent, I'm not interested. Tuition. You look for alternate. Okay. All right, children. So this is the what is the degree of this equation? What is the highest power over here? Sir, focus here. The degree is always one, right? So this is the general form of a linear equation with one variable. Let's say if I have two variables, what is the general form? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is not a pair. This general form of a linear equation, two variables. A, B are belongs to real numbers. It is not equal to 0. A, B should not be equal to 0. So if I have a two linear equations, pair, means how do we say that? How do we write that? The general form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. The other equation might be a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. What are the variables here? What are my variables here?
X and y.
X and y. Everyone unmute. X and y are my variables. X and y are my variables. So how many variables are there here? Two variables. So that we can find value of x and y such that they give two equations. If I have a three variables, if they give only one equation, it is difficult. They should give three equations. Similarly here, I'm having two variables. Means you should give two equations. Then only we can solve and find the value of x and y. Okay. How do I solve these problems, right? How do I find the solution? There are two ways, right? That's what we discussed yesterday. One is a graphical way of representing. Through graph, you can solve. Other one is Using algebraic methods. Using algebraic methods. Using algebraic methods. When I say graph, right? So you have a two lines, right? And you need to draw the graph of the two lines. Probably this is line 1, or I can say equation 1. And this is other one is called equation 2. Obviously, these two equations may be intersect or may not be intersect or both intersect together. It means that intersect together means both are coincidence. Both are coincidence. Okay, let's see about this one. This is called case 1. In this case, what is your observation here? Lines are intersected at one common point. Now you have x value and you have a corresponding y value. So how many solutions will this guy contain?
It'll have only one solution.
Only one solution, right? Only one solution. The second thing is, if you observe the second thing, let us assume that this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and there is a line here, and another line is also intersecting on the same thing. That means how many solutions are there?
Infinite solutions.
Infinite solution. This is also satisfying. This is also satisfying, right? It have infinite solutions. Third case is you have a graph. These two lines will never intersect. Means
It'll
what
have
does it
zero
mean?
solutions.
Zero solution, because these two lines are parallel to each other. What we discussed yesterday. Now, how do I find out? Without drawing the graph, I should tell that. How do I tell that? It's a simple. What is the general form of two linear simultaneous equations or two pair of linear equations? A1x plus B2y, sorry, B1y plus C1 equal to 0. This is my first equation. And what is my second equation? A2x
A2x plus
plus
B2y plus
B2y
C2.
plus C2 equal to 0. Do you remember, children? Yesterday we talked about something called A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Right? B1 by B2. And what else we discussed? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to or not equal to? Equal to or not equal to?
Not equal to.
Right, not equal to C1 by C2. What is the last case?
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2.
Right. So just by seeing these ratios, we can tell that whether it have unique solutions or many solutions or it does not coincide. If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, in this case,
It'll have infinite solutions.
We'll have infinite solutions, many solutions. But in some cases, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. Then
Have no solution.
No solutions.
no solution. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2,
It'll have unique solution.
unique solution, I can say only one solution. Tell me, what is the last point we wrote yesterday?
So you were going to explain the graphical method of solution.
These things and all, we wrote it a unique solution.
Yes.
Already wrote.
Right. So this is what the basics and which we discussed yesterday also. Now it's a time to solve the linear pair of linear equations using graphical mode. Okay. That's what we are going to do now. Everyone have the graph notes?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down. Solve graphically. Solve graphically. You need to solve graphically. I'm just writing over here. Solve graphically system of linear equations. The system of linear equations. What are those linear equations? X plus 2y equal to 3. Other one is 4x plus 3y equal to 2. Do you remember? I think we did this in ninth. I'm not sure.
So it will have no solution.
No solution. Okay. Let me check, madam. Why it have no solution? On what basis you are telling?
So because 1 by 4 is not equal to 2 by 3, and 3 by 2 is also not equal to that.
Let me check. Okay. I'm not sure. Let me check. Okay. Keep your notebooks aside. When this is very important, children, they may ask you in exam, board exam as well. So first what to do now? You need to take this equation. So this is number 1, okay? And this is number 2. You need to write given pair of linear equations. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Using this, right, either you find the value of x or you find the value of y. Let me find the value of y. How do I find value of y? Mr. Hamza, tell me what is the value of y here from this equation? Hamza, unmute.
Sir,
Hmm.
4 by 2.
4 by 2. I'm asking what is the value of y? Make subject as y.
Sir, 1 by 2.
How come 1 by 2, Hamza? Plus x should go to the other side, right? When I'm
Oh, it
asking
becomes
something, you need to tell the value of y. Y means 3 minus x, right? Isn't it? And then into 2 goes to the other side by 2. Right? Don't copy, children. Wait. Next, what we need to do? We need to prepare a table. Right? We did, I think, for linear equation, pair or not pair of linear equation. In ninth, we did.
Linear equation in two variables.
Right. In ninth class, we did, I guess, as per my knowledge, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I couldn't remember.
Yes, sir.
So now we need to find the value of x. We can assume if x equal to 0, what is my y? You just substitute here. If x equal to 0, what is my y?
3
No,
minus 0 by 2.
right. 3 minus 0 by 2. That equal to how much?
3 by 2.
That equal to how much? 1.5. Right? 1.5. Take, see, whenever, see, we don't want to fraction means numerator should become multiple of 2. What I can take here?
So we can
X
take
equal
1.
to 1. X equal to 1 if I take, what will happen? Y equal to 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Even I can take x equal to 2, right? Or I can take x equal to 3. Simple. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 by anything, 0. Right? Let's take x
So
equal
we
to,
can take -3 and then x can be -3 and y can be
we take one negative value. Sajda is telling, right? So if x equal to -3, what will happen over here? The minus of -3. Hamza, you should understand this. Don't by heart. Don't cheat yourself, okay? By 2. That equal to 3. Minus into minus plus.
6 by 2, which is 3.
So 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. You can take any points, children. It's not necessarily to take these points, but which is feasible. That is what you need to take. Is it clear? The first one is clear? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yeah. Please copy these things. Shipali, bend your camera. Are you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Meghana,
Yes, sir.
did you understood?
Yes, sir.
Jayeta, what about you?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay, good. Now, similarly, from the equation 2, we need to find the value of y, right? How do I find, Shipali? What is the value of y from equation 2?
So it is 2. First we have to
So shouldn't it be minus 4 by 3?
No, I am asking Shipali. You said wrongly.
So it is 2 minus 4 by x.
4 by x.
No, minus 4x by 3.
What, Shipali? Huh? What, Hamza? Where is your confusion? Why you are keep on telling wrong one? Tell me. What I told here. Plus 4x goes to the other side, minus 4x.
Yeah,
You can
sir,
write
so
one more step. If you want 3y equal to, what it will become? 2 minus 4x. Right? And then y equal to means into 3 should go to the other side. It will become by 3. Now we need to prepare a table for this. So x, y. If I put x equal to 0, what will happen? 2 by 3. That is 1.5. You can see that there is an intersecting point here, right? I don't know why madam said the no solution, but let me check. Okay. Now, if I
So
put
we can
x
take minus 4 and 6.
minus,
Minus 4 and y can be 6.
Yeah.
if I take minus 4, why you are telling specifically minus 4?
Because like just assuming, so just
It should
assuming.
be a multiple of 3 in the numerator, right? So that it will get cancelled. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 by 3 is 6. That's how she is telling. Okay. If I take 3, what happened? 4 3s are 12. I will get still. Right? Minus into plus minus 4 3s are 12. No, don't take 12 because no, you'll get some decimal value. Let's take, sorry,
You can take
2
2.
and minus 2.
Yeah.
2 and minus 2.
let's take plus 2. What will happen? 4 2s are 8. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. What else?
Minus 1 and 2.
Minus 1. Minus into minus plus, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 by 3 is 2. Right. Some people, they will take only 3 values. Some people, 2 values also they will take. But if you take more values, the graph will be very clear. Okay, that's the reason I took minimum 4 values. Now, open your graph.
how will you plot 1.5, sir, on graph?
I'll tell you, sir. Each scale you need to write. Scale is nothing but 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter, right? What is that? There is a graph calculator. Yes, this is the one. Take your graph sheet, okay? So this is graph. See, Hamza, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Middle value will be, what is the middle value?
Yes. 1.5, sir.
You need to write the graph scale, children. On x-axis, 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Similarly, on y-axis, 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Is it clear? Now we need to plot the graph. The first one, 0, 1.5. Right? The point is 0, 1.5. For me, it is easy. If I put 0, 1.5, it shows. X value 0 means obviously it is on y-axis. This is 1.5. Next one, 1, 1. X value is 1, y value is 1. Means it comes over here. Next one, 3, 0. So this is the point. Here it is a point. Next, minus 3, comma 3. So now we got a line. It is a straight line, right? So now we can draw the straight line.
So you might want to choose segment.
What is the problem if I choose this? Nothing, right?
Too long, sir.
Okay, now draw this line. Join all these points using the scale. Let me know once you are done. Some people, they can write, take a pen, and what is the line? That line you can write. What is the line? It is x plus 2y equal to 3. X plus 2y equal to 3. Everything you need to write, children. Scale also you need to write. Else you will lose half or 1 mark. Let me know once you're done.
Sir, could you show the table once?
What, I did anything wrong?
No. I just want to see something. Thank you, sir.
Ayonika, open your camera.
Yeah, sir, you can change. Thank you, sir.
Now let's try
So I
to
went
draw.
to go get my scale.
Okay, let's try to draw the second line. 0, 1.5, right? 0, 1.5. This is the one. Okay, next one. Minus 4, 6. Where is that here? Minus 4, 6. Yeah, here. Next one. 2, minus 2. Is 2, minus 2. Minus 1, 2. So now we need to join again. We cannot change the color, huh?
No, sir.
For you people, it is easy in the graph. Now you can see somewhere else it is intersecting the earlier line. Let's
At
say
1.5, sir.
this is 4x plus 3y equal to 2. 4x plus 3y equal to 2. Right. Now you can see this. What is the x value here? Minus 1. What is the y value here? 2. Right? So you will get to know. So this is the intersecting point. On that point, what is the x value? What is the y value? That is what we are doing over here. Is that clear, children? Everyone understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me take some Where is my snipper? All right. If you see, this is the value of intersecting point. From there, you draw a line, and then from here, you draw another line. So now you tell me, what is the value of y over here? It's 2. What is the value of x here? -1. So what you can say? Now it is intersecting, right? Note down the two graph lines. The two graph lines. The two, don't write on the graph sheet, in the next sheet. I don't have a space here, that's why I'm writing here. The two graph lines are intersecting at the point. What is the point? -1, 2. -1, 2. Therefore, x equal to 1 and y equal to -2. I'm sorry, ma. I told wrongly. What is the solution? X equal to -1 and y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 is the solution. Is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Is it clear, everyone? This is very, very important. If you are not understood, kindly let me know. I'm there to help you people. But the moment if you say I understood, then from there onwards, you need to solve. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Note down the next problem.
Sir, 1 minute, I'm still doing.
Yes, madam. Copy, madam. What, yeah? It's too much hot. No rain in Bangalore. It's too much hot. What, Sharvita?
Yes, sir.
You are not feeling hot?
Sir,
Huh?
no, not
Oh.
that much.
Oh, not hot, huh? Okay. Then good, yes. Why you are not feeling hot?
Sir, I don't.
Tell something, na. See, why you are not feeling hot? All right. Shipali, what about you?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you are feeling hot or cold?
Sir, it is hot.
Why it is hot? Because we people are not growing, we are not planting the plant, we are not putting the plants. Forget about putting the plants. So you should not cut the plant. For every birthday, right? We can put one plant. It's possible, right? Everyone can possible,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah, but we won't do that. 1 second, huh? Somebody is calling. Hello. We can do that, but then we won't do that. At least if you put every birthday one plant, 20 years, right? Forget about first 5 years. Now also forget about your age is 15 years. Next 5 years, you put each year one plant. Let us imagine at least 2 plants grown up. How, it is very good actually. We should develop that kind of thing. Don't expect that everything will come, somebody will do, right? These plants, whatever we are seeing in Bangalore, somebody put that, and now we are enjoying. But Again, we are cutting the plants due to the various reasons. Do that. Each and every birthday, you make sure that I'll put one plant. All right, children. Nayanika, done?
Yes, sir, done.
Let's move to the next problem. Yeah, please make a note of the next problem. 4x minus 5y. 4x minus 5y equals 16 equal to 0. Other equation is 2x plus y. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Hamza, tell me what is the first step we have to do? From
So,
here,
so we take
Hmm.
4x to the other side.
remember that class is recording, okay? If I'm putting in YouTube means many people will watch, okay? So remember that. So always when you see x or y should be positive only. Here, what is the coefficient of y here? It's negative, right?
-5.
-5. I want to make it positive. Simple. You send this guy instead of sending these two. So keep these two here only. 4x plus 16 equal to 5. What is y? 5y, right? So what is the value of y? Hamza, open your mouth.
Sir,
You understood or not understood?
yes. So we take 4x to the other side, no?
Why we should take 4x to the other side? Already you have 5y. What we are trying to do here? We are trying to find the value of
Bye.
y. Hey, Hamza, really use your brain, Hamza. This is the third time or fourth time I'm keep on repeating. If you are not understood, ask me the question. That's what I'm expecting from you. If you
So do we have to take y to the other side? I mean,
right,
sorry, 5 to the other side?
because why we are taking this? Why we are taking the blind rule? It is not required to take here. You can send these two also. The simple thing is always whenever if you are trying to find the value of variable, it should be always positive. If you see here, it is a negative, right? That's why I'm sending to the other side. It will become 5y. Now, y value is multiplying with 5. So y equal to what happened? 5 should come to the
4x
other
plus
side.
16 by 5.
Right, 4x plus 16 by 5 equal to y. Okay, so now we need to prepare a table x, y, right? Yes or no? So you need to consider the numerator should be multiple of 5. At least it should get cancelled. Put x equal to 1. What will happen? 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 16, 20. 20 by 5 is 4. Clear?
So we
Yes or
can
no?
take minus 4 and 0.
Minus,
4 and 0.
but let me take 0. I'm not getting my minus 4 you are telling?
Yeah, sir.
And
Take
you
x.
get 0.
Right. 4 into minus 4 is how much? Minus 16, right? If you don't know children, write it over here, nothing wrong. So what we are telling, put x equal to minus 4. You can put any value children, try to understand that. It should be easy, right? You can eat anything. Which one will eat? Which is good for our health? We'll eat that one only. But that is a
So y
different
will be equal to 0?
I'm telling, right? You put the value of x equal to minus 4. Then you will get to know. 4 into minus 4, how much, Nayanika?
Minus 16?
Now tell me minus 16 plus 16, how much?
0.
That's what she said. So 0 by 5 is nothing but
0.
0. So y is 0 when? If I put x equal to minus 4. If I put x equal to minus 4. Similarly, you need to try 2, 3 values. If I put y of 3, what will happen? 4 3s are 12. 12, 16, no. If I put x equal to
6. If you put x equal to 6.
sorry,
6.
6.
If it's 6 and
Right.
y
If I
will
put x
be
equal to 6, what will happen? 4
Minus
into
8.
6, 24. 24 plus 16 is 40, right? 40 by 5 is 8. That's all you can do. If you want, you can put one more value, but not required. Is it clear, everyone? Now, Hamza, get ready. You need to
Yes,
tell
sir.
the value of y here. Hamza, are you there?
Yes.
What is the value of y? Can you tell? Y should be positive, means it should keep here only. Remaining this and this to go to the other side. It is very easy. What you will get? Y equal to?
Minus 2x by 6.
By 6 y, sir. It is minus 6, right? Minus 6 goes to the other side. What it will become?
Yeah, so it becomes 2x plus 6. Minus 2x plus 6.
Or I can say 6 minus 2x. Right here, the coefficient is 1. Now again, we need to put x, y. You take x equal to 0, then y equal to 6. You take x equal to 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. Right? You can take x equal to
Or
minus,
if you take 3 also, then like you get it as
you
0.
can take x equal to 3, good point. Then you will get 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah.
so we can
That's it.
take 2 and 2.
Right, you can take 2 also. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Enough. Yeah, all that we need to plot the points and get the line. Yeah, please copy and try to plot these points on the graph sheet. Call will disconnect. We'll join 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.